Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to learn the states of matter. It is important to learn, right? I will try to make it clear to you. Just give me some time. Okay, let's start. Usually we know that there are three states of matter, right? But sometimes we get five state or more than that. So the state are solid states, liquid, then gas, then plasma, right? Uh, then Bose-Einstein condensate. So, however, among these five states, three states are important to know for basic level. They are solid, liquid, and gaseous, right? So now we'll learn the characteristics of solid. Think ice as a solid substance. What you see is here is that the intermolecular attraction uh, among or between molecule is the highest. Highest, right? Highest, and intermolecular distance is lowest, lowest, right? So these are the main characteristics of solid state, right? So in solid state, particles are packed tightly together, so they are unable to move about very much, right? So they can move, right? And remember that particles of a solid have very low kinetic energy, right? And solid have a definite shape, right? And in solid state, intermolecular attraction force is the highest and intermolecular distance is the lowest. Already I have told to you. Okay, liquid, right? Liquid, here water. If you heat ice, then you will get water is liquid, right? Here you see the intermolecular force is relatively lower than uh, solid, right? And intermolecular distance increase, right? So the intermolecular distance is higher than solid state. So now we can know the characteristics of liquid. In liquid, uh, in liquid state, intermolecular attraction force is relatively lower, right? Intermolecular distance increases, right? Liquid takes the shape of the container in which it is kept, right? The motion of particles of liquid, the motion of particles of liquid is higher than that of solid. I hope it is clear to you. Well, let me explain about the characteristics of gas, right? If you observe, then what you see here, you see that the intermolecular distance is the highest here, and the intermolecular force is the lowest here, right? So in gaseous state, intermolecular attraction force is very low. Intermolecular distance is increased to an extent that the molecules, right? You have molecules. This is molecules travel around freely and spread outside beyond the intermolecular attractions. Well, change in state of matter on heating, right? Let me explain it. This is ice, right? If you heat this ice, then what will happen? The molecule of ice will absorb heat, and after absorbing heat, the molecule will get extra speed, right? They will try to go from each other. All right. So will get water, and if you continue the heating process, the molecule will get much energy, and by using this energy they will go from each other and they will try to move freely, right? So you are getting the gaseous state. I hope, believe, and expect that you have gained something from this lecture. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.